Updating your payment information on eBay is essential for smooth transactions. Follow these simple steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Visit the eBay website and enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section. Click on Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Options. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment Options or Payment Methods section. Click on it to view your current payment information. Step 4. Update your payment information. Choose the payment method you wish to update. You can add a new credit card, debit card, or PayPal account. Follow the prompts to enter the new details. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your updated payment information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new payment details. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on eBay. Regularly checking your account settings ensures a hassle-free shopping experience.